Hey guys, in lockdown we do different things. I forget to order my contact lenses and also may have over purchased bananas. But when you do that, then you get banana loaf. So today I'm going to show you my healthy banana loaf, another low sugar, gluten-free treat that won't be heavy on the waistline. And these are the ingredients that you need: baking soda, cinnamon, eggs, vanilla, salt, almond meal, honey, yogurt, coconut oil, and some nice ripe bananas. And there you have it guys, a really yummy healthy banana bread, which you can also freeze down and use whenever you need it. A healthy snack any time of the day. Have a good day everybody.